Hi there, I'm Cheryl. Welcome to the Watercolor Floral Cards class. If you've been wanting to learn how to do some simple watercoloring, there's nothing better than starting with stamped images. It takes some of the guesswork out of it, as well as the intimidation of creating your own composition. Let me show you what we're going to do. These are the 3 cards that we're going to be making in this class. I will show you how to stamp and emboss your image, and we're going to be doing our watercoloring with watercolor crayons, as well as one sample with some metallic watercolors that just really reflect the light nicely. I'll also be showing you how to do a watercolor without having stamped and embossed images. And like I said, it's great to start with stamped images when you're learning how to watercolor, because it takes some of the intimidation out of trying to create a scene all by yourself. This class also comes with a supply list that's going to be divided between each of the cards and list all the supplies used during the class. Now let's go make some cards.